What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be putting a little theory to the test. I just put on this brand new green Gates supercharger belt, so I wanted to see if there's any boost difference between this belt and the OEM Mercedes belt. I'm going to be driving the car, going to do a couple pulls with the boost gauge up so you guys can see if there is any boost difference at all. Guys, we're gonna do a second gear pull from 40. I'm gonna have the boost on screen, so here we go. I'm going to do one more pull, the same thing, 40 miles an hour from second gear. So let's get it up to 40. I saw 10 psi on that one. I don't think I have ever seen that, but I kept on going through third gear since I knew I had a long runway, but I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty certain that I saw 10 psi on the boost gauge. You guys will know for sure since it's going to be somewhere up on the screen. Let's go back now, swap the supercharger belt, and we'll test it again. Alright guys, I just swapped the green belt back to the OEM Mercedes belt, so let's go for another test drive and see if this makes any difference. Alright guys, same thing, 40 miles an hour from second gear. Just looked over for a sec and it seemed to have basically the same boost numbers, so I'm gonna do one more run the other way, but as far as I can tell the numbers are exactly the same. Alright, same thing again. Just looked for a second, the boost numbers look pretty much exactly the same. I didn't really see any difference, so I guess this pretty much puts the theory to rest.